Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You're watching MyNextBest, and today we're going to be talking about the newly launched Apple M4 iPad Pro. This device is a game changer and I'm excited to share all the details with you, so let's dive right in. The new iPad Pro comes with the world's most advanced display, the M4 chip, and Apple Pencil Pro. It's available in two sizes, an expansive 13-inch model and a super portable 11-inch model. Both sizes feature the world's most advanced display. A new breakthrough Ultra Retina XDR display with state-of-the-art tandem OLED technology. The Ultra Retina XDR display is a marvel of a technology. It uses two LED panels in a tandem design to deliver even better full-screen brightness of up to 1000 nits for SDR and HDR and 1600 nits of peak HDR brightness. This display delivers high dynamic range with high contrast and high brightness. ProMotion and True Tone display technologies deliver a responsive and natural viewing experience. Let's talk a bit about the design, the physical aspects of the M4 iPad Pro. The new Apple Pro is the thinnest Apple product ever. The 11-inch model is just about 5.3mm thin, and the 13-inch model is even thinner at a striking 5.1mm. Despite being so thin, both models are just as strong as the previous design. The new iPad Pro is powered by the M4 chip, the next generation of Apple Silicon, which delivers a huge leap in performance and capabilities. It features an entirely new display engine to enable precision, color, brightness, and of course, the Ultra Retina XDR display. With the new CPU, the next generation GPU that builds upon the GPU architecture debuted on M3 and the most powerful neural engine yet, the new iPad Pro is an outrageously powerful device for artificial intelligence. As for the price, the 11-inch iPad Pro starts at $999 or £999 in the UK for the Wi-Fi model, and $1199 or £1199 for the Wi-Fi plus cellular model. So there's really no difference in terms of pricing. The 13-inch iPad Pro starts at $1299 or £1299 for the Wi-Fi model, and $1499 or £1499 for the Wi-Fi plus cellular model. So there you have it, the latest scoop on the Apple M4 iPad Pro 2024. Certainly this Apple Pro is a powerhouse of a device, packed with advanced features and technology. Whether you're a professional looking for a portable yet powerful device, or a tech enthusiast wanting the latest and greatest, the new iPad Pro is definitely worth checking out. If you enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and become a member of the growing family. Every sub makes it possible for us to engage with brands so we can get you the latest and greatest in tech. We just want to be able to review every single thing out there for you guys, not just those highly expensive gadgets often hard for people to buy, but really every single thing out there, because we strongly believe that monopoly is not favorable for end customers. Therefore, promoting new and capable brand is what is sensible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.